Well, if there is any good that can come from the stay-at-home order that we're all living with, it's this. Several law enforcement agencies are telling us that they're receiving fewer reports of crime since the state's lockdown. CBS 46's Ayanna Crystal has those details.
Police told me today with fewer people out, that means less opportunity for crimes to happen. Now, I did reach out to several jurisdictions today, and they tell me that the crime rates have dropped drastically from this time last year.
We would report crime is down in general, and that the calls for service are down in general, and we're very thankful for that.
With people staying at home, crimes in and around Metro Atlanta have dropped. Marietta police say they are still fully staffed and will make arrests if crimes are being committed. Meanwhile, the Cherokee Sheriff's Office says they have changed the way they are policing.
Deputies, they're the proactive type of policing that they would normally do. They're really scaling back their self-initiated stuff and looking more to protect some of these businesses that are closed down and not so much enforcement and traffic and things of that nature.
On calls now, deputies are wearing face masks and gloves, but the goal is to minimize exposure with the general public.
The actual calls for service are down about 12%. Ironically, though, we are starting to see more domestic disputes. And that would obviously come from more people being at home together and kind of cooped up in their house. So those numbers have changed quite a bit. But what's I think a little bit more startling is the number of arrests that have gone down. In 2019, we had over that same time frame, we had about 746 people booked into our jail as compared to this year, and we've had about 305. And one of the reasons for that is we're working with other police jurisdictions here in Cherokee County. We obviously want to limit who we bring into our facility.
The Cherokee Sheriff's Office says instead of bringing people to their jails and booking them, deputies will try to write a citation. Now, people will still have to answer to the crime and will have their day in court, but this will limit people being exposed to the coronavirus in their facilities. In Atlanta, Ayanna Crystal, CBS 46 News.